Hi everyone, I'm Jay Rainey, researcher here in Open Lab at Newcastle University. Over the past few months we've been using and playing around with a range of wearable devices, and today I'd like to show you each of them. So here we have Activity's AX6 device. It's a wrist-worn band for movement tracking. So you just place it on your wrist and strap it in. The strap accommodates a large range of wrist sizes. It comes in two colours, black as we see here, but also light blue. And it's made from silicone, and because of that, it's waterproof. So this is the brains of the Activity device, the IMU. This records 6 axis movement data, has a gyroscope, has a temperature sensor, and also a light sensor. The associated software enables you to configure the IMU so that you can enable or disable features. This means the battery life can range from 7 to 34 days. So for example, you can turn the light sensor on or off to show participants that the device is actually on. One other thing, due to the quantity of data that's produced, because it's raw data, you have to manually transfer the data from the device to a computer, so there's no Bluetooth. Now let's have a look at the Phibian device. So this is the Phibian device. It's used for recording and classifying movement activities, such as running or walking. Here we have the IMU, which records 3-axis accelerometry and also gyroscope information. This device is then placed inside of the bag and put in your pocket to record this movement activity. Or you can use a comfortable strap, wrap it around your upper thigh, and there's a little pocket where you can pop the IMU in. You just place it inside there, strap it onto your leg, and it records accurate information. All this information is sent to the cloud once it's uploaded, and reports are generated for the users. So this is the DreamTo device, which is used for monitoring sleep activities. It has a 3-axis accelerometer and 6 EEG sensors to measure brain activity. Those EEG sensors are in the front of the device, right here. And next to that we have a PPG sensor that's used to monitor your blood oxygen saturation and heart rate during sleep. On the back we have 2 other EEG sensors and a flexible strap. This device is worn on the head, so that way you can increase the strap size if you've got a larger head. These little things are the 2 EEG sensors, which are placed in the back of the head. And it's recommended, if you have long hair, like we see here, to put your hair up and then let it down once you've securely fastened the device on your head. It lasts for up to 12 hours, so you can wear it for at least one night's sleep. So the DreamTo records raw data for all of the EEG and vital signs and accelerometry. This data is stored on the device. Whenever you charge the device, the data is sent through Wi-Fi, because the device is configured on Wi-Fi, to the cloud, where you can download the raw data or process versions of the data. Here's the ByFly device. This is ByFly's docking station. It comes with 5 sensor dots. Each of those can be placed anywhere on the body, as we'll see soon, and they can be used to record a range of biopotential. This includes brainwave activity, which is your EEG, heart rate, which is your ECG, muscle activity, EMG, and your general movement activity through accelerometry data. Here we have the sensor dot, which we'll place on a patch, which you can then apply on your chest with the 4 electrodes to record your heart rate. Afterwards, you place the sensor dot on the docking station, which will recharge it, and then transfer the raw data from the device to the cloud, where you can then log on to the website and download the raw data. Here we have a sensor dot and a sensor patch. You peel it off and you can place it anywhere on the body. Here I place it on the wrist, but generally you would place it on your ankle, for example, to record movement and accelerometry. Or you could place it behind your ear with an electrode to record your brainwave activity, for example when you're sleeping. Each device lasts between 24 and 36 hours. This is a move monitor from McRoberts. Uses a 3-axis accelerometer to track and classify movement activities, such as walking, running, sleeping. It's attached using a flexible strap onto the lower back, as we'll see here, which is designed to be worn under or over clothing. Once the strap is secure, it allows to record a person's everyday life and movement activities for up to 14 days. Due to the quantity of raw data produced, retrieving it from the move monitor requires manually transferring it to a computer over USB. Then it must be manually uploaded to the cloud, where the raw data can be downloaded for analysis. And finally, let's have a look at BioVotion's Avarion. Here we have BioVotion's Avarion device. It comes with a PPG sensor, pressure sensor, temperature sensor, and 3-axis accelerometer. This allows us to record a range of vital signs, including heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pulse wave, and oxygen saturation. The device lasts up to 45 hours, and the raw data is stored on the device, then transferred via Bluetooth to the mobile application, then sent to the cloud. The device comes in a range of strap sizes, which can then surround the IMU and be placed on the upper arm. This allows direct contact with the skin, enabling more accurate information, but also means that you can wear clothing on top of it to go about your day-to-day life.